are here, people. Port Royal. You know what I'm saying? Come on. Oi, people. Yeah, we are at the Port Royal HQ. You know what I'm saying? Yeah, you've probably seen the branding, Asda, all over the place. Do you know what I'm saying? I can officially say, you know me, people, when I endorse something, we endorse authenticity. That's what we do. These are the only, and I mean the only authentic Jamaican patties you can buy in England. I promise you that. The flakiness is not a joke and it's not a game. Do you understand? So yeah, we are here at the HQ. You get me? We're going to have a little look around. We're going to see what's going on. They've got some new ready meals. Because you don't know, if you're a Cook and Vibe fan, you've seen the patties already. We're here to endorse the patties again. And we're here to endorse some ready meals. Yeah, because you know, it's 2021. Ready meals, not everybody's got time for cook. So we're going to see you are on. Oi.
Respect M. Dot, you don't know, sir. Come and visit us. We really appreciate that, man.
Do you know what I just realised where the name come from?
What?
Park Royal.
Port.
Park Royal, Port Royal.
Park Royal. Well, it is Park Royal.
So the area is Park Royal. So yes. That's where the name comes from?
No, Port Royal is actually
the washed away,
the home of the cities, the wickedest city in the world, where the pirates were.
The washed away one.
The washed away one, but it's still there.
17th century life in Port Royal, Jamaica, commonly referred to as the wickedest city on earth, conjures up images of marauding pirates, treasure hunters, naval conquests, looting, and the overindulgence of food, alcohol, gambling, and women. But the extravagances of the wealthiest port in the West Indies came to a rapid end at precisely 11:03 on the 7th of June, 1692.
An earthquake and tsunami swallowed up nearly half of the town. Buried in the sea is a window into the pirate capital of the world and a surprisingly organized, sophisticated society that supported their needs.
It's a fishing village in Jamaica right now.
Because when you go down to Kingston, on the way to the airport, you go past where it used to be, right?
You can get some of the best steamed fish, fried fish.
Okay.
This is like Gloria's Port Royal.
Okay, see it there. So that's where the name's from.
Foundation. Yeah,
see it there. Look on the chalk, people. Yeah? Why? Yeah, I love that. You get me? You know anything, go check them out. Instagram, Facebook. So right now we're having a little backstage little tour. You know what I'm saying? This is the fridge, so we know so everything is clean. You know what I'm saying? Behind the scenes, people.
Nobody gets to see this but you, bro. You get a special.
Cook and Vibe.
Alright, Cook and Vibe special.
You know what it is, right? I said to him, I need some behind the scenes, bro. He was like, do you know what it is? You see this machine? No one can't find out what this machine is. This is how you make them flaky. And I'm like, I hear you. Yeah. I said, we need something.
This is where the magic happens.
Yeah, this is the oven, people.
Yeah. You can feel the heat coming up.
Yeah, I can feel it and I can smell it.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Yeah, man.
So that's an oven?
That's an oven, yeah.
It's a big oven.
And it is, man. We could put a whole...
So it's the same kind of thing as they use in like Greggs and bakeries and stuff like that?
Absolutely. It's a standard bakery oven, you know, and that'll rotate around so each patty gets that perfect bake every single time. That consistency we're talking about. Yeah.
Right.
It's all about consistency, you know what I mean?
Of course. So...
But like I said, we can't show you any more secrets, bro.
Yeah, no more secrets, unfortunately, people. So it's all gonna have to be about the food from now. But you know what? You have got something that nobody else has seen.
That's it.
So Cook and Vibe, you don't know, show the man respect, show the people respect.
Always. Respect, brother. Respect, brother.
Oh, yeah.
I'm really excited about these because I see them on, you know, obviously we follow each other. We've been connected ever since I started Cook and Vibe. So big up Port Royal every time I've been up because the respect has always been there. Big up. So when I see these on the Instagram and I see that the ready-made meals, now to get a ready meal made to taste good, must be hard.
That's not easy.
It's not easy.
Well, you know, I tell you, it's just fresh ingredients, right? And once you can follow on the recipe's straight from the yard. You know, that one you got right there. What's that one?
This is the strip, right? So, yeah? I've seen ready meals. I've seen a little jerk chicken here and there, you know, a little chuck away one. But you see this, stew peas with beef.
Yeah. Yeah.
All right, stew peas with beef. It's a very authentic Jamaican dish, and I've never seen that with braised veg and dumplings.
Mm-hmm.
So for me, that's really amazing because that's a complete, really authentic meal. You can go and just purchase.
Wait till you taste it.
All right then.
Right? That's
And these are available in Asda and everything like that. At the
this
moment.
one is available in selected Asda's in London at the moment.
Right.
Right? So hopefully we're going to be rolling out across the UK very soon.
Okay.
Yeah. The other ones are available in Morrison's and Asda. But this one is exclusive Asda.
Cook and Vibe. Remember where you see it first. Yeah, we're gonna taste all these and make you know the real, and we have to give out, we're honest in our opinion. So yeah, that one's really amazing. For me to go into a store and be able to buy a stew peas with beef, with dumplings, and put that in the microwave. Very, very good idea. Yeah, rice and peas. The man say with ease. You understand? Yeah, man, I really think so. You don't know rice and peas. That's a very good one as well because I can't cook rice.
No, it's not easy.
Cook and Vibe, I am admitting, me, Cook and Vibe, chef, can't do rice and it's a consistency for me. I know how to cook rice and peas, of course I do. I could tell you how to make it, but putting it in, so for me, when I put all that effort in and you've done all that meat, and you get to that last 10 minutes and the kids say, what are we having with that?
Rice and peas.
Rice and peas ready.
You know what we like to say?
Love that.
We say nice and easy rice and peasy.
Nice and easy rice and peasy.
Yeah.
You see it there? Breezy. Yeah, and we got the jerk chicken thighs. You get me? Jerk chicken thighs, great for sharing. Yeah, because Jamaican food is all about sharing as well. Curry mutton. Yeah.
Last but not least.
Yeah, last but not least, definitely. It's a favourite. It's a favourite, isn't it? Jerk chicken, curry mutton. I think favourites, aren't they?
Absolutely.
So that's why I'm going back to the stew peas. I think this is really amazing, man. You get me? So people, Port Royal have got ready meals, ready for you. You know what I mean? Morrison's and Asda, you know where to go. It's not even a thing where you have to go Brixton for these on people. But you know what it is? Enough times people, when they're watching my recipes, they can't just go and get the ingredients. You've seen them.
Right.
Recommend the beef, man.
Yeah.
Come on. So what we got? Beef, man. You asked me what ones I wanted. Of course the beef. So yeah, I'm excited to be here. You don't know. We're just smashing up the place. He's getting excited. Why?
Listen, I heard if you subscribe, you're going to get loads of good luck and loads of money.
Yes, people. Why? Cook and Vibe. You get me? You don't know they blessed us. They blessed us with the patties then. Yeah. You don't know, you can check out other episodes of Port Royal patties on Cook and Vibe, some previous episodes, you get me? These are the best patties in England, I'm telling you. Trust me, put these in the oven. Don't disrespect them and put them in the microwave. Oven, 25 minutes. Pow, 20 minutes. You get me? So, already had my patty this morning. But you don't know, it really is about the ready meal. So, let's get busy.
5 seconds to press the like button. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Get Miguel's jerk yard marinade. It make your chicken taste like a god cookie. It hot?
People, click the link in the description to get yours and to purchase yours.
And look at that, people. Jerk chicken, rice and peas. You know what I mean? Microwave. Yeah, we have to try it out this style. They call coleslaw there. Do you know what I'm saying? And the greatest thing about this jerk chicken, it actually can feed 2 people. You know what I'm saying? So we used, the 1 packet of jerk chicken and shared that, and we just shared the rice and peas. You know what I'm saying? Yeah, wicked, man. So let's taste it. Yeah, and there's a little jerk sauce as well. Why? Yeah, man. I like it. All right, people. Now, there's different ways. There's oven ways and other types of ways to making this better.
Okay, but what I did want to try is it actually microwave, because it's a microwave meal, and I wanted to actually test how it actually tastes, because microwave takes a lot away from what things are. Do you know what I mean? So we've got rice and peas, and we've got jerk chicken microwaved. So we're gonna give it a go. Now I'm gonna go in. We've got the jerk sauce as well. I'm gonna go in for the rice and peas. Wow, that's really nice. And do you know what? It's kept a really nice like consistency. Like it's not really hard. It's nice and soft still. The rice is really nice, man. Like, you'd never know that come out of a microwave. Trust me. Yeah, man. I'm gonna even a little bit more of that with the coleslaw. That's really good. Now, jerk chicken. I mean, we don't know the process, whether they oven before or barbecue. We don't know, so we're just gonna go straight in for the jerk chicken. You know, it's a hand thing. Do you know what? That's really nice. You know what? Wow. I'm really surprised that they've got that taste. That's amazed me. That's actually really amazed me. Jerk chicken, rice and peas microwave. It's actually really, really nice. Look at that. Port Royal. Big up yourself. Why I? In here, we have the curry mutton. You get me? Yeah, it looks really nice, man. It doesn't come with rice, but yeah, man, a quick thing, you know? Yeah, man, curry mutton, Port Royal with potatoes. Yeah. All right, curry mutton, people. Port Royal. Again. Really nice. That's really nice. Again. Do you know what? I think they probably just cook it really, really well before, you know, it gets packaged. That's what I'm presuming. So at the moment, yeah, the jerk chicken done really well, which I think was probably the hardest one to get right. Curry mutton, good stuff. Port Royal, thumbs up. I can't wait to taste the stew peas though, man. Oi, oi. Oi, oi. Now look at that. That is our patty is meant to look. Port Royal, big up yourself. Yeah? The best patties in the UK. Look. Don't worry about the knife. I broke that trying to make that tin can stove the other day. Did you hear that? Did you hear that? Let me do it again. Look at the flakiness. Look at the flakiness. Yeah? That's how a patty's meant to be. Why? Last but not least, stew peas with beef. This is meant to be the best one. Let's try it. And there we have it. Stew peas, dumplings, beef. Yeah, let's try it. All right, so let's go in for a bit of beef first. Really well cooked, man. Like, not chewy at all. Falls apart. That is really good. Dumplings, nice and soft still. Yeah, everything there, man. The peas, not hard, nice and soft. That's a really good one. I can tell why you were saying this one was a good one. The beef is really good. It falls apart in your mouth. Well done, Port Royal, man. There you go. Ready meals. Why?
Royal, it's your half in yam beef, chicken, vegetable, don't forget the lamb. Hey.
Sure. Why? Wait, say lyrics as well as patties?
Yes, bro.
All right, then,
DJ Tony Peroni, the one and only.
Ah.
Yeah, respect.
But the big up section, you don't know people. Leave a comment for your chance to get your big up. Why? Big up section. You know what I'm saying? Yo, the new space is nearly ready. Couple little things left. You know what I mean? Big up in my Mersey paradise. You get me? Excuse me. Big up yet again, Cook and Vibes. Whoop whoop. Blessed day to the both of you, my friends. Great content, as always, pure fire. And that was regarding to the Cooking with Bling video. You get me? So big up my G. And also big up J Lasaya Nova. Says, when you cooking for your fans? Laugh out loud. Well, not in this weather. I'll tell you that. So people, as soon as we get some good weather, we're going to be running some Cook on Vibe barbecues again. You get me? Get into the spirit again. Yeah, it was just a couple months of winter and then we're good again. You know what I'm saying? So you don't know anything set. Keep it Cook on Vibe. Make sure you subscribe and I'll see you next time.